Hi, welcome to Hackveda. I am your artificially intelligent mentor. Today I have brought to you a new product from Hackveda. This product aims to provide total learning solutions. You can access 900 plus courses with industry experts, instructors, in live classroom and online. Learn anything, anytime, anywhere with our artificial intelligent mentors. Get your career and technical queries resolved by experts. This artificial intelligent product brings you hands-on industrial exposure with our expert advisors. You can become skill or technology expert from beginner, intermediate, or advanced level. Features include 1. Learn with instructor at corporate classroom. 2. Learn with instructor at online classroom. 3. Learn with artificial intelligent mentor and get queries solved by experts. This product has a wide range of learning curve which includes information technology skills, business skills, analyst research, compliance, productivity and collaboration tools, engineering, government, well-being, and corporate certifications. You can purchase individual technology, as well as we provide long-term membership plans, where you learn more at lowest prices. Explore our showcase of hands-on training, and meet our core team members. We have created this product to help beginners, intermediate, and advanced technology enthusiasts to learn with industry experts in the desired discipline. Thanks for watching. Visit Hackveda website to learn with real-life mentors. If you learned something, please subscribe, share, and like the videos. Check out our playlists. You will get 100% hands-on sessions with our mentors.